Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Material Design Figma kit and publishing it to your team library so components sync. Open your file and create frames at 1440, 1024, 375 to test responsiveness. Use an 8pt grid for consistent spacing. Once done, import or map the kit's typography tokens and color variables to your file styles so components inherit the correct text and color values, which saves time and prevents visual drift as you prototype. Now you compose components and bind them to tokens. Start with atomic pieces like buttons, chips, inputs, and icons so you can scale up. Use auto layout to keep padding predictable and create variants for size, state, and density. Set constraints so components behave across frames. Make sure each component references your color, elevation, and typography styles. That connection is why changes to tokens automatically cascade through screens, speeding design iterations and maintaining system integrity. To finish, assemble full screens from your components and test each interaction and state so you catch inconsistencies early. Prototype primary flows and preview on actual device sizes to verify spacing, touch targets, and motion feel right. Iterate on variants as needed. Once screens look good, publish updates to the library and document usage. If something goes wrong, check for unlinked overrides or missing styles. Relinking components to the theme tokens usually resolves unexpected color or type mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.